Hey, this is Toddler Henry of toddlerhenry.com. I wanted to take a moment to show you another idea around an automated workflow using a couple of free, simple tools. And here I have this already set up. I'm starting with, here, sorry. Where I normally start is working through Feedly and finding some great content. So what I did here was go ahead and clicked on the link that takes me to the site of one of my favorite bloggers. Now, what I can do at this point is to right click and save this image out to my desktop. Then what I can do is, let me go back and say, okay, and here I'm using the secret address for my Tumblr blog. And I am going to, you're not going to be able to see this off screen, but I'm going to click the attach file icon. There we go. Here's the image that I saved out to my desktop, and it's now being loaded. And then I'm going to go ahead and click send. Now, Tumblr, something that's kind of interesting about Tumblr, and I forgot to put the Tumblr in here. So you can see how quickly, like I just went and I downloaded that image. I send it to my Tumblr blog, and immediately it shows up here. Now, one of the things that's really interesting, and I'm serious, I just discovered this week. I have over 8,000 posts into almost 8,000 posts in Tumblr. And what I just found out yesterday is that the search box in Tumblr is almost completely worthless. So for example, if I look for the word confined, which is in the comment here, watch what happens. No posts are found. What do you mean? I just saw it right here. However, if I go to the post and I edit the post, I can put in a tagline, or excuse me, a tag, and I could put in the tag confined and save that. Now, if I go and look for confined, oh, still didn't find it. So anyway, enough of that. The point of this is that Tumblr has some really cool superpowers, but being able to find content in your own Tumblr is not one of them. But Tumblr does work with a lot of other tools, like my favorite tool, If This Then That. And I have a recipe that says anytime I do a new photo post to my Tumblr blog, then send it to my Blogger blog. And if I go and check that recipe, notice it says that this was created April 18th of 2014. It was last triggered 2 days ago, and it's been triggered 113 times. If I check that recipe now, then it should show that it was triggered less than a minute ago. And if I go to my Blogger blog and reload, you will see that that image was posted to my Blogger blog. Okay, so I find that Tumblr has very little value except that it connects to other things. And here's another example. As a bonus, I will show you one of my favorite tools for producing quotes. It's called Recite This. It's from Pixie. And it says, turn a quote into a masterpiece. So I'm just going to type some text in there. And down on the bottom, this will give me all kinds of different options. The longer the quote, the fewer the options that I have. Okay. And what I could do is select this and click Create. And now here again is one of the primary reasons why I want to use Tumblr. I could click Post to Tumblr, and it gives me the image and a caption. And if I create a post, it would go to my Tumblr, and then within 15 minutes, if this then that, would post it to my Blogger blog. I don't think that Tumblr itself has a lot of value except for how it works with other tools. I know that fans of Tumblr may take offense at what it is that I just said. But now here's the deal. Tumblr has little or no search engine optimization value, but it can play an important part of your workflow. So if you like posting this kind of content and every once in a while you want to grab some visual stuff, I strongly encourage you to look into Tumblr. It's got a great mobile version. You can add it to your domain. You can use it in conjunction with another one of my favorite tools, Rebel Mouse. Just know, as you know, with this and with all tools, know why it is that you're using it and know what the limitations are so that you can use it effectively. Questions or feedback, please let me know. I love to answer questions about this stuff.